Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I guess I can be heard. Let's just wait for some others to come in. Let me just invite people to come in as well. Thank you to those who are already here. Gosh, really, thank you for coming. Let me just invite some people to come and join us today. You can also invite people. Share the link, please. Okay, what is this? What's happening? Okay, let me just invite people to come. All right. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here with me this afternoon. I hope you can hear me, right? I'm using a different microphone yet again, always experimenting with A new one every time. A different one. Okay, let me hear myself first. Huh? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here with me this afternoon. So I guess you can hear me. Let's start. If you know of someone who um, need or may need this or may find this video useful, please tell them. Please share to them uh, this video. Yeah, the link please share to them. This is expressions grade 1 mathematics on expressions on less than, more than, and as many as. Okay, this is in Bisaya, Cebuano, mother tongue. Let's also try to uh, translate it in English so that it can be universal, right? Okay, okay. Let's go for it. See if there are some partial comments. Not yet. Thank you very much to five current viewers. Yeah, thank you so much. Please share the video. Okay, let me just open the module. Okay, let's move my face out of the picture. Okay. Let's add the module. Not this. Okay, I can't seem to get the picture. I'm having problem. Alright. Oh no. I have a problem getting this together. Okay. Not this one. How can I just close this for a moment? Oh, wait for a moment. I cannot open the device. I'll just summon. Let me try to fix something first. I cannot open the module. That's not good. Sorry. There. All right, now I can see that. Okay. Thank you for waiting. All right, let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, can you see that? Mhm. Okay, let me just try to open the title page. Okay. All right. Finally, just a title for us to see. Okay, that's way better. Okay, now thank you very much for waiting. Had a bit of a problem there. Okay, again, this afternoon I mentioned that we'll be talking about grade 1 mathematics, continuing our series in grade 1 mathematics because I noticed that daghan, ubay-ubay ang nag-view sa ato ang grade 1 math, no? Um, thank you for viewing our grade 1 mathematics series. Um, compared to my first few videos or live, um, uh, like say 5 times more views or 6 times more views or even more ato ang grade 1 mathematics. So thank you very much whoever you are who is viewing my videos or perhaps sending the links of my videos. Uh, thank you so much, and I hope you nakahelp, no? I hope I've helped you in one way or another sa atong mga videos, right? Now, we continue with that, and I hope you can still share this video. I still got this again, disclaimer, this module is not mine. I did not create this. I borrowed it from a neighbor. And um, the main goal here is to help out our teachers who are giving this, who are really making these modules hard working in making these modules together and helping them out in terms of these videos, no, para makatabang supplement in one way or another, if you can, for lack of a better term. And yeah, this is, I think this is not the current module. However, um, this is from quarter 1, week 4, because katong previous current module nila, um, wala pa'y bago. So, nibalik na ta. Backtrack ta. Maybe you can still use this for backtracking your lessons or reviewing your lessons. That would do. And kana siya. No. Uh, just another supplement lesson for everybody. Okay. Now let's start. If you have questions, please feel free to comment in our comment section. No. Um, connection. If you have questions, just ask them out. Don't be shy. And please share this video also. Okay, let's start our lesson. Now, this is in Bisaya, Cebuano, Sugpuanong Bisaya, mother tongue. Um, I'll try my best para maka translate nato ni in English or kanang masabtan nato, no, kay sometimes ang mother tongue kay very deep. Sometimes I don't really get it or understand it fully. So, pasensya na daan. Mhm. But we'll try to understand it as much as possible. Okay, right. So, introduction. Kini nga module sa mathematics naglangkob sa duha ka konsepto. So in this module, there will be two concepts. Pagtandi sa duha ka wiko gamit ang gyutay kaysa. So it's just comparing two items perhaps using gyutay kaysa, or that's less than, and daghan kaysa, that's more than, tumbas sa, or equal, o susama sa. I think that's the lyric ko. Og ang pagsunod-sunod sa mga wigo gikan sa kinajotayan hantod sa kinadaghanan o binali nga paagi. I think this is um, placing the items or the objects from the least to the greatest, or reverse, ascending, descending order. All right. Kini ng leksyon magsugod sa katako sa tinun-an sa pag-ihap sa mga butang o pagtandi niini. So, starting, I think, counting numbers and then comparing them. I hope it's right. Magsugod pod kini sa pagtako sa tinun-an sa pagpasunod sa mga wigugkan sa kinadyotayan hantod sa kinadaghanan o binali nga paagi. Again, from the least to the greatest, or reverse, ascending or descending, right? Learning competencies, finally, English. Compares two sets using expressions less than, so kana less than, or mas kamay, more than, mas dako, and as many as, or equal, or pari-pari, pariho, and order sets from least to greatest and vice versa. So yeah, ordering numbers or objects, numbers of objects from least to greatest or vice versa. Objectives sa pagtulunan makatunan nato ang mga sumusunod. So by learning, we will this we will be learning some of this now. Pagtandi sa wigo gamit ang jutay kaysa, daghan kaysa, o katumbasa o susama sa. So learning, placing jutay kaysa, daghan kaysa, or tumbas sa, or susama sa. So placing less than, more than, or as many as. Pagsunod-sunod sa mamig-o gikan sa kinajutayan hantod sa kinadaghanan, o gikan sa kinadaghanan hantod sa kinajutayan, or binali nga paagi. So this one, kinagamyan hantod sa kinadak-an, or kinadak-an padulong sa kinagamyan, or that's the least to the greatest to the least. Okay? Yeah, or in reverse order. Mhm. Okay. Tat uni, let's learn. Can you see that? Okay. Alright. Adunay manag-igsuon nga sila Ana, Lenny, o Susie. Okay. I'll open paint first para atay um, scratch paper. Electronic sketch paper. Haha. Saan to? Let's add it first. Okay. Alright. Okay. So adunay manag-igsuon nga sina Ana, Lenny ug Susie. Usa ka adlaw niadto sila sa hardin ni Lola Becky. So there are sisters named Anna, Lenny, and Susie. And one day they went to the garden of Lola Becky. Nagkasinabot silang magpadaghanay og pamupo og mga bulak aron ila kining ihatag sa ilang Lola Becky nga namaligya og mga bulak. So it says they agreed to get as many flowers they can get from the garden because they'll be giving this to Lola Becky, who is selling flowers. Si Ana nakakuha og 10 kabuok, Ana got 10, Lenny kay 14 got 14 ka flowers or ka bulak ug ang kasusi kay 8. So let's write that down. Okay, so si Ana, okay, got 10 flowers, 10 kabulak, pulo kabulak. Si Lenny got 14 kabulak. And Susie, Susie? Sakto ba ko pagbasa? Susie got 8 or walo kabulak. And the question is, okay, there they are, the two kids. Where's the third one? She's out of the picture. Okay, here are the questions. An answer din siya actually sa akong silingan. Very good. Very perfect man siya. Pila ka mga bulak ang nakuha ni Susie, Anna, and Lenny, which we wrote already. How many flowers did Susie, Anna, and Lenny pick? So we wrote it down. Anna got 10, Lenny got 14, Susie got 8. So si Anna nakuha 10 kabuok, si Lenny nakuha 14 kabuok, and si Susie nakakuha 8 kabuok. Next question, kinsa ang adunay labing daghan na napupo? So question is, who amongst the three of them got the greatest number of flowers? Who got more flowers than the rest? So, sa 10 ka ana, 14 ka Lenny, o 8 ka Susie, ang kinagkanan is si Lenny. She got 14, right? So, si Lenny answered it. It's correct. Kinsa ang jutay ra ang napupo who got the least number of flowers? Okay, so ang pinakagamay nila or the least number is si Susie who only got 8. So partially that is what we're trying to learn in this lesson. The greatest number, the smallest number, or perhaps later, equal number. Okay? Thank you very much for those who are watching right now. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, here we go. Sulayi. Okay, natay try. Sulayi is try. Okay. Okay. Ihanay ang mga bulak nga napupo sa mga bata gikan sa kinadaghanan hantud sa kinadyotayan. Isulat ang ngalan sa mga bata sa paghanay. Okay. So here we have the number of flowers that were picked by that's the girls, or mga bulak na napupo sa mga girls, no? Now, the question is, ihanay ang mga bulak nga napupo sa mga bata gikan sa kinadaghanan hantod sa kinadyotayan. So, we have to write the we have to arrange who got the most number of flowers to the least number of flowers, and we will arrange them. First, we have to count them and then arrange them. So let's count first. Let's have ang kasusi. Let's try to verify it's the same with the story earlier. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kasusi. Write it down. Natay 8 dira. Kaleni, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Natay 14 Kaleni. We wrote it down. 14. No. And then Kaana, she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Kaana. We wrote it down. So ato isulat diri, kinsa ang, which is nasulat na natin answer, no? Kinsa ang kinadaghanan sa pabulong sa pinaka-jutay. The most number of flowers, the least number of flowers. So, the most number of flowers si Lenny. Kaya na siya 14 kabuok. Then next is si Anna, na siya 10 kabuok. And then last si Susie siya 8 kabok. So gauna ang 14. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 kabok ka Lenny. 10 kabok ka Ana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 8 ka Susie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kabok. So muna pagsulat ha. Si Lenny, si Ana, and then si Susie. Okay. Sabta o hinumdumi. Okay. Let's sabta hinumdumi, understand, and remember. Aron mahanay ang mga set or wigo. So that is the meaning of wigo, set. Okay. Aron mahanay ang set or wigo, importante nga iphon kini o itandi ang gidaghanon so that we can properly arrange the the number or the number of objects per set, we have to count the number of objects per set. Okay? And compare it to the rest of the sets. Sa pagtanti sa kadaghanon, mahimong mogamit sa mga simbolo sa mga kalabutan nga jutay kaysa, daghan kaysa, o tumbas sa o susama sa. So we can know which is greater or least than the other. We can use these terms. Jutay kaysa, daghan kaysa, tumbas sa o susama sa. In English, that's jutay kaysa is less than, daghan kaysa is more than, tumbas sa or susama sa is as many as. Okay, pananglitan or example, atong itandi ang mga bulak nga nakuha sa managsuong Ana, Lenny, o Susie. Okay. So we have here, let's compare the number of flowers picked by the girls. First, we have Lenny and Anna. Let's count the number. Kung pila habok ang nakuha ni Lenny, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 ang flowers nakuha ni Lenny, or Lenny got 14 flowers, and Anna got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anna got 10. Ang bulak na nakuha ni Lenny, daghan kaysa ni Anna. So we have to write it down so that we can know. So si Lenny, ito siyang isulat na lang kung pila ka buok, um, got 14. No? And then Anna got 10. So atong isulat diri, less than, more than, or as many as. Kung sa Bisaya, jutay kaysa, daghan kaysa, or susama sa, or itong other term, tumbas sa. So, si Lenny na ay 14, si Ana na ay 10, mas daghan ang ka Lenny kay 14 ka Lenny. 10 plus 4. 14 ka Lenny, ang kaana 10 lang. So, mas daghan ang ka Lenny. So, we will use daghan kaysa. So, dito magbutang sa tas iyahang tunga nila. Daghan. Okay. Daghan kaysa. So, kung in a sentence, sa ilalom, ang bulak na nakuha ni Lenny, daghan kaysa ni Anna. Okay? Lenny got more flowers than Anna. So we will use daghan kaysa. More than. Sorry. More than Anna's. Okay? Lenny got more flowers than Anna's. Lenny's flowers are more than Anna's. Okay? Okay. Let's move forward. Okay, here we go. So, and then we have another one, si Susie. Let's write it. Let's count. Susie. So pila ba ang naa ni Susie atong ihapon iyahang flowers na siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Na siya 8. And then si Anna, kanina ito din na count na siya 10. Okay. So si Susie na siya 8, si Ana na siya 10. Ang kasusi jutay kaysa kay Ana. Lower number, mas gamay, mas jutay ang kasusi. So jutay kaysa. Okay? So we will use that. Jutay kaysa. Write it down. Jutay kaysa. Okay. Jutay kaysa. Or less than kung English. Less. I have the best handwriting using pen. Kidding. Okay, so less than. Susie got 8 flowers, Anna got 10 flowers. So Susie's flowers are less than Anna's flowers. Or Susie, um, ang bulak na nakuha ni Susie, jutay kaysa ni Anna. Okay? Mas jutay ang kay Susie na 8 kumpara sa 10 ni Anna. Okay? Let's try exercises. Okay, buhata o sabta. Do and understand. Bulhaton 1. Ipha ang mga hulagway ug isulat sa kahon. So, count the number of the objects and write it on the box or the blank. Ihan-ay kini gikan sa kinadaghanan hantod sa kinadjutayan. So, arrange this from the the greatest number of objects to the least number of objects. Gamita ang letra A, B, C sa paghanay o isulat sa bad list. So use letters A, B, C to arrange the numbers, to arrange the objects, and write on the blank. Okay, let's write it down. Sakto ba? Let's have the example first. Okay, so first we have, let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kabuok um, oblongs. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kabuok squares. And then we count 1, 2. Dua kabuok nga triangles. So we will use A, B, C. Gamiton tong A, B, C sa pag-arrange gikan sa kinadaghanan padulong sa kinatutayan. We will use A, B, C to signify the greatest to the least. Okay? Okay, so let's try that. A ang kinadaghanan, hantod B, the next higher number, and then C ang pinaka ubos, so pinaka-jutay. So, ang pinakadaghan niya is ang 6. So, we have A here. Ang next greatest is ang 4. So, B. And ang pinaka-jutay or the least one is 2. We put C. And that's the answer. It's correct from the module. Okay? Let's do another one without the answers. Okay, let's try to answer it on our own. Let's count first the number of objects. So we have circles. How many circles? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 circles. And then, what are these? Cross. It's a plus sign or cross. Let's count it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 crosses. And lastly, we have like one star, sun, explosion. Okay, so we have one, the last object, ang pinaka-last. So let's place A sa pinakadako o pinakadaghan or the greatest number, B the next greatest number, and C sa pinakajutay. Okay, so ang pinakadaghan, the greatest number here is the circles. So nine circles, you have A. And then the next one is 5. There are 5 crosses. We put B. And the least number, ang pinakajutay, is 1. 1, what's this explosion? Let's see. Let's try to see if it's correct. We have A, B, C. 9, 5, 1. Correct. Okay. Let's move forward. Okay, mga bata. Next na po na activity. Okay. Mhm. If questions, don't be shy to ask out in our comment section. Let's see if we have questions about it. Just check my audio. If questions, don't be shy to ask out in our comment section. Let's see if we have questions. Okay, I think we're okay with our audio. Let's continue. So siha ang mga numero sa kada kahon. Like, yes, so see, I forgot. Check out check out the numbers inside the box. Um, Ihanay kini sa kinadjutayan hantod sa kinadaghanan. Okay. So we have numbers inside the box, and what we're going to do is we will arrange them from the least to the greatest. The least to the greatest number. So atong i-arrange ang mga numbers sa box sa kinadjutayan hantod sa kinadaghanan. The least to the greatest number. Isulat ang mga numero sa linya. Okay, so let's write it down first. Okay, so we have, example, we have 2, 0, 1, and 3. So the instruction says, arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. Okay, so ang pinakajutay nila is 2, 0, 1, 3, natay 0. Ang next is 1. Ang next is 2. So, ang pinakadaghan is ang 3. So, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's try the other one. We have 4, 5, 3, and 2. So, atong buhaton, we'll arrange this from the least to the greatest. Pinakajutayan to the kinadaghanan. Okay, so asa diri ang pinakajutay? We have 2. Next is 3. Next is 4. And last, pinakadaghan, 5. That's how you do it. Okay, let's try the other one. Last example. We have 5, 7, 6, and 8. Asa ang pinakachutay nila? 5, 7, 6, or 8? Natay, 5 is the least. Followed by 6. Followed by 7. And the greatest one, or ang pinakadaghan, is 8. That's how you do it. Right. Then there's another one. Okay, next, this is color. Okay, color. Okay, let's do another exercise. Okay. Exercise number 2, buluhaton 2. Tanawa ang pagkahanay sa mga we could look at or check out how the sets are being arranged. Kuluri o pula, color with red, ang lingin kung nahanay gan sa kinadaghanan hangtod sa kinadyotayan. So you have to color the circle to the side red if the objects are arranged from the greatest to the least. Okay? So hanay ang pinakadaghan hantod sa pinakadyotayan. And kolori og asol, color with blue kung ang paghanay gikan sa kinadjutayan hangtod sa kindaghanan. So we color with blue if the arrangement is from the least to the greatest. Let's check out this one. So first item, we have so many. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 19 items. And then next is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 items. I think these are balls. And lastly, 1, 2, 3, 4. So giunsa sila pag-arrange? Kinadaghanan, hantod sa kinadyotayan? Are they arranged from the greatest to the least? Or the other way around? So they are arranged from the greatest to the least. Okay, so we have to color it red. So that's the color there. Color red. It's correct. Okay, let's check the next example. Okay, so we have bows or ribbons. Let's count it first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how are these arranged? From the greatest to the least or from the least to the greatest? It is arranged from the least to the greatest. Gi-arrange siya kinagamyan hantod sa kinadaghanan. So we have to color it blue. Hence, the color there is blue. Okay? Let's move forward. Okay, and these are, what are these? Socks. And sure, rectangular things. Okay, let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the first set. Next set, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kabuok. And lastly, 1, 2. So giunsa siya pag-arrange. How are these arranged? From the least to the greatest, ikan sa kinadjutayan, hantod sa kinadaghanan, or bali, from the greatest to the least, kinadaghanan, hantod sa kinadjutayan. It's from the greatest to the least. Mas dako ang 10 kaysa 6 kaysa 2. Ikan sa kinadaghanan, padung sa kinadjutayan. So we have to color it red. Hence the shaded circle is colored red. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, if you know that already, we have 4, 6, 10. So from the least to the greatest, color it with blue. Okay, next exercise. Exercise number 3. Gikan sa wala, from the left to the right. Ikumpara ang mga gidaghanon sa hugpong gamit ang pulong daghan kaysa, jutay kaysa, ug tumbas sa. So, from the left, this is my left, no. Um, from the left to the right, um, we have to count the objects and we have to compare them um, using the expressions daghan kaysa, which is translated as more than, jutay kaysa, which is translated as less than, or tumbas sa, or equal. So we have to use that. Jutay kaysa, less than, daghan kaysa, more than, tumbas sa, or equal. Okay, let's try. So first, let's count the objects, and then we will um, place the expressions. Okay, so yeah, let's try. Mhm. So let's count first how many cars are there. We have 1, 2. And then the other side, we have 1. So 2 is blank than 1. 2 is greater than 1. That's more than 1 or mas daghan ang 2 kaysa 1. So we will use daghan kaysa. Okay, we'll use daghan kaysa. 2 daghan kaysa 1. Okay, that's how you do it. Next, kites, not a kites. Let's count how many kites we have. The first set we have 1, 2, 3. Not a 3. Second set, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a 4. Ang 3, blank sa 4. Mas daghan sa 4, mas jutay sa 4. We have jutay kaysa or less than 4. So we will write it down. Jutay kaysa. Okay, or less than 4. 3 is less than 4. Okay, let's check another example. So we have ice cream cones. Ice cream. Let's count first. The first one we have 1, 2. Next one we have 1, 2. All right. So we have 2 here and 2 here and 2 here. Mas dakan ba ang 2 sa 2? Or mas gamay ba ang 2 sa 2? Or are they equal? They are equal. So we'll use tumbasa. Tumbasa. Tumbas, no? Tumbas. Yeah. Tumbasa. Okay. Or equal. Okay. 2 tumbas sa 2. Or equal silang 2. That's how you do it. And the rest, we just already, orally say it. Di ba? Already do it. So we count the dolls. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 dolls sa left. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sa right. 7, 7, and 6. Ang 7, daghan kaysa 6. So write it down. Daghan kaysa. Okay, move. Next, we have kasing. Kasing, no. I forgot the English. Top. Top, I think. Yeah. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 kabuok sa left. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kabuok sa right. So 9, daghan kaysa 8. Okay. Let's move forward. So muna itong buhaton ha. Count usa. Well, let's count the number of objects from the left and count the number of objects from the right. And then compare the number. And ito ibutang. Daghan kaysa less than, chutay kaysa or tumbas sa. Depending on the number that's less than, more than, or as many as. Let's move forward. Okay, hinumdumi, remember. Kinahanglan nga iphon ang sulod sa matag pundok aron mahan-ay kini og sakto og matandi. So we have to remember that we have to count the number of objects per set or per box so that we can correctly arrange it and compare it. Okay? Buhata ang mosunod. Do the following. Ihapa ang mga butang sa kahon, pagdibuho og mas daghan kaysa wigo nga anaa sa wala. So, count the number of objects in the box and draw more or more than what is in the box from the left. No? For example, naatay, let's count. 1, 2. We have 2 balls. We have to draw. Kailangan tayo mag-drawing na mas daghan ana. So we can draw three or more. Okay, so 1, 2, mas daghan sa 2, 3 or more. Um, ana-ana asa wala. I know, bali di ay. Pagdibuho og mas daghan kaysa wigo nga ana sa wala. Mm, not so sure. Well, I think three or more. Mas daghan kaysa wigo nga naa sa wala. Left and right. I think so. You have to do more. Or less. Let's skip that because I'm not very sure. It's correct. Pagdibuog mas jutay kaysa wigo nga anaa sa wala. Reverse. I'm not sure, so let's just move forward. Okay, this one. Pagdibuho og tumba sa or susama sa ini na mga butang. So this one we create equal numbers. So we have count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we draw 10 circles. And I can't see the next one. We have moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we draw 14. And then traffic light symbol or sign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we draw 16 signs to the other side. Okay, okay. Dapat tumbasa or equal. When you say equal, tumbasa, it's equal the same number, pareho na number. Okay? Alright, let's move forward. Okay, andam na ka, andam ka na. Okay, we will write mas daghan kaysa or jutay kaysa or susama sa. Okay, tandi ang wigo sa wala ngadto sa wigo sa tuo. So, compare the ones on the left to the right. Isulat ang daghan kaysa, jutay kaysa, or susama sa. Okay, first nato is crayons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kabuok. And then atay 1, 2 kabuok. So 5 is greater than 2. So 5 daghan kaysa. Okay? Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang pikas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're equal. So sama. Equal. So sama sa. And we have birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kabuok is first side. And then the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kabuk sa pika side. So 4 is less than 8. So 4 jutay kaysa 8. Okay, and then we have the same number, so sama sa mas gamay diri ang upat kabuok nga kalo or four caps, and then we have 9 caps. So 4 is less than 9 or 4 jutay kaysa 9. And dugang pagkat-on, additional learning, pagdibuho sa kahon parihas sa butang o porma aron sa pagpakita sa hanay sugod sa kinajutayan hantod sa kinadaghanan. So I think this one we have to draw uh, the same objects but increasing the number of the objects from the least to the greatest. So first we have a heart, one heart, then we have two hearts. So we have to draw more hearts. We have greater than 2 or mas daghan sa 2, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So blank ang siya. Next, triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ang una. Sunod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ang sunod. So we have to write more than 8. We have to draw mas daghan sa 8. So 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Next, reverse. Pagdibuho sa kahon pareha sa mga butang o porma aron sa pagpakita ay sa hanay sa kinadaghanan hantod sa kinadjutayan. So we have to draw the objects from the greater number, the greatest number, to the least number. We have kites. First, count 1, 2, 3, 3 kites. 1, 2, 2 kites. So, less than 2 or mas gamay, mas jutay sa 2, we have 1. So, draw 1 kite. Chairs. Let's count the first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Less than 4, mas jutay pa sa 4, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's how you do it. From the least to the greatest and the greatest to the least. From kinagamyan or kinajutayan to the hantod sa kinadaghanan or kinadaghanan hantod sa kinajutayan. So you have to draw that. And okay, lastly, this is the last page. That is the last page. Okay. Pagdibuho sulod sa kahon og mga butang draw items in the boxes. Han ay gikan sa kinaghanan hantod sa kinatutayan. So we have to draw from the greatest and the least. So can draw any objects, I think. So here we have squares or boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Less than 8, magkagamay, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mas gamay sa 7 could be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And lastly, hanay gikan sa kinajutayan, hantod sa kinadaghanan. So from the least to the greatest, we have a star. Can draw any objects, I believe so. We have 1 star, 2 stars, and then 3 stars. I think it's the last page of this module. And we are actually done. Okay, so to remember, that's how you try to compare numbers in a given set. Okay, here compares two sets using less than, more than, and as many as. So we have to count first the number of items per set or per box, and then we can compare kung if they are less than, more than, or as many as, or equal number. In Cebuano, Bisaya, we will use jutay kaysa, daghan kaysa, or tumbasa, or susama sa. Jutay kaysa if um, ang unang set is mas jutay sa second set. Okay? Daghan kaysa if ang unang set mas daghan sa sunod na set. And tumbasa or susama sa if ang unang set o ang sunod na set pariho sila count or number. Okay? Again, we will use less than if the first set is fewer or lesser than the second set. We will use more than if the first set is more than the second set, or you have more than the second set, or there are greater number in the first set from the second set, we'll use more than, or we'll use as many as or equal if the first set is the same number with the second set. All right, that's how you do it, and that's how you try to use the expressions less than, more than, and as many as. Okay, that's about it for our lesson this afternoon. Thank you so much for viewing. We had some viewers. Thank you so much for viewing and tuning in. Now, we'll try to continue with our grade 1 series. I'm getting a lot of views from here, so maybe a lot of you are really wanting or needing or yeah, you need these videos or yeah, something like that. So let's say continue grade 1. I'll try to get a new module for next week, hopefully. Uh, but if you have, kung naamoy other grade levels from elementary to high school that you want me to discuss here in my channel, just comment down to any of my videos unsa na module or unsa na topic inyong ganahan. And if you have the modules, please send them to me so that we can discuss it here on my channel. Um, Yeah, or you can just message me on Facebook. My name is John Paul Noel Oira. It can be seen, I think, in my videos. I guess so. Yeah, so that's it. Please, please, kuan, um, stop one. Share this video. Please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell. Share this video. This will be uploaded and published in YouTube. Um, Later after the live. I have other videos for the grade 1 series. Please share them whoever needs them or wants to review them. Please share this to them. And I have other videos as well, from travel videos to food vlogs to some of my hobbies. So please share this video, um, hit subscribe and the notification bell. And thank you so much to those who continuously supporting this channel by viewing and subscribing. Daghang salamat, everybody. Have a happy weekend. Stay safe, stay home, um, and yeah, be healthy. Thank you so much and have a great weekend, ladies and gentlemen. JP on board.